Hey everyone, welcome back to Top 5 Top Best. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're showing you how to change the spark plugs on a 2010 Ford F-150. Let's get started. First, let's go over the tools and materials you'll need. A ratchet, spark plug socket, extension, torque wrench, spark plug gap tool, dielectric grease, and of course, new spark plugs. Make sure you have the correct spark plugs for your 2010 Ford F-150. Check your owner's manual for the specific type and gap settings. Before starting, make sure the engine is cool to avoid burns. Disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent any electrical shocks or shorts. Clear any debris around the engine to keep dirt from falling into the spark plug holes. Start by locating the ignition coils. Each spark plug has an ignition coil sitting on top of it. Use a ratchet to remove the bolts securing the ignition coil. Carefully pull the coil out, twisting gently to avoid damaging the rubber boot. Next, use your spark plug socket and extension to remove the old spark plug. Turn counterclockwise until the plug is loose, then gently lift it out. Inspect the old spark plugs for any unusual wear or damage. This can give you clues about the health of your engine. Before installing the new spark plugs, check the gap using a spark plug gap tool. Adjust the gap if necessary to match the manufacturer's specifications. Apply a small amount of dielectric grease to the inside of the spark plug boot. This helps prevent moisture and makes future removal easier. Carefully thread the new spark plug into the hole by hand to avoid cross-threading. Once it's finger tight, use your spark plug socket and torque wrench to tighten it to the manufacturer's recommended torque specification. Reinsert the ignition coil over the new spark plug. Make sure it's seated properly and reconnect the bolt to secure it. Repeat these steps for each spark plug in your engine. Once all the new spark plugs are installed, reconnect the negative battery cable. Start the engine to make sure everything is running smoothly. Listen for any unusual noises or misfires, which could indicate an issue with the installation. And that's it! You've successfully changed the spark plugs on your 2010 Ford F-150. Regular maintenance like this keeps your truck running efficiently and prolongs its life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Top 5 for more automotive tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.